Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox this vehicle. This is the Centy G Power. So let's unbox it. This is the toy model. It's a 1:32 scale diecast Mercedes Benz G-Wagen. This model is orange in color. This has a good interior, and this is a 5-seater. This also has an extra wheel. This is a pullback action toy car. This toy is an off-roader. So if you want to buy this product, please check the description. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Share my videos. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell button to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.